when we present our case, we'll get to understand which parties are behind the operation. I cannot actually give out a name and say that this individual, when the particular entity there actually has a lot of factors involved in it. This is a voting software. There's a lot of factors involved in a voting software. Respectfully, my lord, if once you have given us the chance to present our respectfully, my lord, when we go with the merit of the case, we will better understand the individuals behind the operation.
Okay.
In the course of your case presentation, there will not be any defendant till we find out who or which persons are behind what you are saying. Then you have to call them to come and defend. Is that what you are saying?
My lord, if we are able to give credence to that fact, and it meets the judgment of the court.
We can't start a suit in the absence of. We can, yes. But in this case, okay, we need to know. So I don't really get the whole thing. We are going to allow you to talk as a petitioner in the absence of the defendant.
My lord, I'm happy you said you can actually do that. It can be done.
Your suit doesn't suit that.
My lord,
The case,
my lord, respectfully,
yes.
a suit is against. It can, my lord, the issue is that it doesn't have to
no,
be.
continue. A suit is against.
A suit is against an individual or an entity.
So where is the individual?
My lord, an entity. My point is an entity.
So where is the entity?
The entity.
Yes.
The entity is the operation here. The machinery that caused the damage.
So the machines are the
software.
defendants. Are the machines the defendants?
My lord, when we go into the case, we will then realize
We should start a case without the defendant. Is that what you are saying?
My lord, can't a case be started without
That is
the
an
defendant?
affront to fair hearing.
My lord, what we are saying
That is an affront
is
to fair
that
hearing.
when the when we present the case, when it meets the merits of the court, then the court can call for who and who to respond to which allegations. Respectfully, my lord.
The Constitution makes it clear. The bench, agrees to the dictates of the Constitution. Attorney for the petitioner, please, respectfully, we spent a lot of time arguing over this. I'm sure if you had gone out to go and re-edit it, by now you'll be done. Then we start.
My lord, if the merit of our suit right now,
We are not talking about the merit of your
my lord, I
suit
didn't
here.
finish my statement. It's actually against the statement, how we actually put it, as the court is telling us. My lord, what we are saying is that respectfully to the court, allow us to present our case, just as our evidences have been submitted. Then, my lord, if the case meets your merit, we then will be able to know the factors behind the voting software. Respectfully, my lord.
The bench has decided we are not starting the case till we get a particular or a specific defendant.
Thank you very much, my lord.
Okay, there's I think it was a request from Mr. Lablé, and we've already dealt with this, maybe in your absence, when a petition or a suit can be nullified and when it can be accepted in the law court. I'm not sure whilst we're doing that you were here. So for a suit, it's, a, it's between two feuding parties. Okay, a petition is to seek clarification or remedy a situation. A petition is different from a suit. In petition, you don't need to call a defendant. You are writing to a higher authority to seek remedy. That is a suit, a petition. But for a suit, you need a defendant and you need a petitioner. A suit is always between two feuding parties. If your suit or petition doesn't meet these standards or these definitions, the bench cannot accept it. I'm sure you're okay now. Appeal. Yeah, you have a right to appeal. No, appeal it. A decision has been given or a ruling or a verdict has been given, but you feel it was not fair to you, you can appeal by coming back to the appeal board for further deliberation. So it's not the same as a petition. You get it. Whole High Court can give a ruling. You can appeal at, let's say, Supreme Court. You get it. Yes. Before the, yeah, you go to the appeals court before the Supreme Court. Okay. But when the Supreme Court gives a ruling and you are not happy with it, you can only request for a review. After the review, it becomes binding. You can't appeal the Supreme Court verdict. You can only seek a request for a review. Maybe they will decrease your jail term or they will decrease your punishment. But you can't appeal the verdict of the Supreme Court. Thank you. I'm sure you are okay with that. I think we've seen two examples here.
So according to Article 3, Clause 1B, a constitution or decision or resolution of a body, organization, club, union, or association. So if the suit is not specified to anybody, any organization or club or union, you cannot take it as a lawsuit. I hope you understand. So for it to be addressed, you need to go and write the defendant of the case before it can be addressed. So you get it. So Article 3, 1B.
Miss Stella, are you okay? Page one, page one. Article 3, Clause 1. Chapter 1, Enforcement of the Constitution. Okay, the third case is a petition, and the clerk will read to the hearing of everyone here.
August 2021, the Chief Justice, Supreme Court of U.S. SRC. My Lord, petition to nullify the local news and SRC elections held on the 6th of August 2021. I, Ishakumoro, based on the reasons backed by the hardcore video and pictorial evidence, beseech you to exercise all the judicial powers vested in you to nullify rig the elections. Besides portal passwords, any phone number combinations granted access to anyone to vote